What's going on, guys? It is me, Alexis Graphic Creation. In today's tutorial I am gonna show you how to make a side navigation bar. This is going to be very simple, so we're going to jump right into it. So what you want to do is come over to your dashboard, then come down here to the bottom where it says appearance and click on that. Then you want to come over here to the left and click on menus. Once you click on that, you want to go ahead and click on new menu. So if you don't already have one created, you can just click on new menu and it will bring up this page here. The first thing you want to do is give your menu a name. So I am gone knock all mine main menu, and then I am gone knock click on select all pages, and then I am gone knock click on main menu. Then I'm going to click on save menu. So once you save your menu, you'll notice that nothing shows up yet. That's because we haven't actually added anything to our menu yet. So to do that, we are gone now. Come back up top and click on create a new menu item. So the first thing we're going to do is add the text for your link. So I'm going to do home and then click on add sub menu. Now you'll notice that it's automatically made it a vertical menu. If you wanted it horizontal, you could just come in here and uncheck this box right here. But since we want it vertical, we are gone now. Leave that checked, and then we are gone now. Go ahead and click on add submenu, and now you can put as many links as you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and put about us services. Then I'm going to come up here and click on create a new menu item. We'll put in testimonials, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on add submenu. You can keep doing this as many times as you want. Once you're done adding your links, you can go ahead and click on save, and there you go. Here is your navigation bar. So let's say you want to change the colors of it or the fonts. You can do that by coming back to the dashboard and then going to appearance, and then we are going to click on customize, and then you'll notice there's a section here for header navigation and footer navigation. So if you wanted to change the colors of your navigation bar, you can do that here, or if you wanted to change the font, you can do that as well. And also if you wanted to change the background image, you can do that here as well. So you have complete control over how your navigation bar looks. Once you're done customizing, you can go ahead and click on. And I want to leave you with 3 things to remember. Number 1, keep building your faith. Put God first in everything you do. He's the reason for everything. Number 2, keep creating. Don't stop creating. Keep going. Even when you feel like giving up, keep pushing forward. Don't stop, keep moving forward. So don't stop creating, keep creating. And number 3, keep trying even when your designs get tough. Web design is tough, it's challenging. I am not perfect, but I am slowly progressing, but it's rewarding. Seeing the end result, seeing your clients happy, seeing their businesses grow because of the website you created, that's the most rewarding part. So guys, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video.